Yeah.
Underneath on both sides of the car. Yo, underneath both sides of the car.
No, we're moving. Yeah, I need this too.
Watch out, Ryan. Get the fuck out of the way.
Yeah, you gotta hold on to the other hand.
I gotta put on though.
Because I gotta put on. Oh, it's in a second. So that's what I show up to. You know, yesterday we worked on Tommy's car and didn't get to fully run. I'm gonna go back soon and finish up his car and run his car because they both deserve the run before it gets cold out. So as you guys know, I've been slacking a little bit this month, working on everyone else's cars besides mine. Mainly because I kind of blew my budget on the Miata this month and haven't had much to do. But I've been making moves, been trying to line everything up. And stuff is gonna happen pretty soon. But I'm really excited to share with you guys that we are getting a turbo kit for the Miata. I'm so excited. I don't know if it's too early to share with you guys, but I'm pumped. I talked to CX Racing already and they're willing to hook it up, and that is amazing news. We had the kit on Chip's car and on RJ's car. It's been amazing, and I figured this would be the perfect car for it. So Steffi's gonna have a boosted Miata, and that's sick. And then, of course, as you guys know, the GTI, you guys have been waiting for me to throw that thing together for forever now. So JP finally finished the head on it, which means I can go pick the head up hopefully tomorrow and start throwing the GTI back together and hopefully have it running by early next week, if not mid next week, and I can have myself a nice new daily driver. Yeah! Oh my God! He's doing it again! I'm sorry. No way! Oh my God, they're bugging outside. I think Chip just did his first wheelie.
That's the closest he's ever got.
Nah, dude, he did one over there and he went like 20 feet.
Oh!
Oh, I tried to get it back up. Tried to keep it going.
This is the funniest thing I think I've ever seen.
Wait a minute, that's all I need.
Oh, first wheelies ever.
Boys. Right in front of the camera.
I'm dead. I'm so happy that he can finally. This is like 4 years in the making at least. Ooh! Let's go, Jim!
Let's go! Oh!
Throw it up, Chip. Come on.
Let's see some shit.
Yeah! Today is another awesome day. So today we are doing something that isn't for me once again, but I'm still really excited for it, and that is we're picking up an S14 for my buddy Kenny. If you guys don't know who Kenny is the homie that runs and owns the dyno down the road that we're always at. He's always hooking me up, helping me out, and I'm excited to go help him out. So we're gonna go check this thing out. It seems like an amazing deal, and it could potentially be a pretty fun project on the channel.
Ooh.
I'll tell you more about the car in a little bit. It'll make sense soon, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna keep watching Chip do wheelies and laugh my ass off.
Jesus Christ. Scared the shit out of me.
All right.
Oh!
Did I just break it?
No.
Okay.
No, that door's a bitch.
Are you licensed to drive this thing?
Shit.
Oh. Did I break it?
No, just be a dick to it. You gotta pull it like a motherfucker.
Bah!
Like really get mad. You can do it. Get like
Watch out. Yeet this bitch.
Hammer down!
Oh, get fucked. Go! Hit it! No.
I don't want to break it.
It's an art form, you gotta just go for it.
Ready? I got this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
No. You gotta leave.
I'm done.
You gotta like hold it for that extra second afterwards. That door, horrible. This door.
Why is the passenger doors?
How'd you break it, Jim?
I don't know. Drew,
Do it.
slam it.
Like,
No,
pull
watch
it
out.
towards you.
There we go. I figured it out. There's a little
Art.
switch on it.
No, it's an art form.
There's
You
a
just gotta
switch on
keep.
it.
You just gotta
I
keep
hit
going
the
for
switch.
it. No.
All right.
That switch is fake news. Is he still going?
I'm losing it, dude.
I gotta jump onto the Supra now.
All right, let's go get this damn car.
So tell me what we're picking up, because I don't really know everything about this thing.
Okay, there we go. Well, that's brave as fuck. Okay, I didn't even tell them what we're picking up. Well, so it is an Nissan 240 SX, because of course that's all we do around here. It is a 96, so it's a Zenki, and it's turboed. It's a really nice car. We don't know much about it. We just know that it was 5-volt converted, has a full interior, which is surprising, has a full exterior, which is even more surprising, has Z32 brakes, has a lot of goodies on it, that's all I'm gonna say. It's a blown up KAT setup, but KATs are dirt cheap and easy to swap in, so it is a banging deal. So we're gonna pick it up, check it out, and hopefully it's not a... Come on, Bri, I think, could Bri come?
Do we have room for him?
Yeah.
Fuck it.
You wanna come? Yeah. Park right there. What's up, guy? I gotta piss. Go pee.
Is he just... Oh, that's fun.
That's good.
Yes. You can actually probably see him through the little trap door.
Nice wiener.
My dick?
Yep.
Nice.
Just 4 minutes away.
Almost there, boys.
Almost there.
This is
Gun wave in New Haven.
this is the Blue Bridge,
It's not always blue.
also known as
Sometimes it's
the
red
Q Bridge. What is that? Just a pile of shit?
Yep, that's a pile of shit. Right next to our water.
Demon.
Is this it?
It says this is it.
Is that it right there? Or is that just a red car?
That's a red car.
Okay, and that's like a Pontiac Sunfire.
It's a Ford Escort.
What do you think?
I really like this, and I needed one for my RB, so
Super
fingers
fake.
crossed. Oh, definitely fake. It's already falling apart.
Well, so far so good. It's actually cleaner than I thought, which I guess doesn't say much.
Yeah, it's like a big ass skateboard.
Yeah, doesn't it look like a Talon with the color like that?
Yeah, it looks like an Eagle Talon. Look at the lighting on this thing right now. Looks great. Perfect. You're gonna crush the bumper. You might want to fix the angle. I don't know. You don't care? Okay, I don't care either.
How do you feel about your very own S14?
I mean, I fucked it up already, so we're on to a good start. This thing's gonna be a perfect missile. I smell winter tandems.
So we now officially have a S14 Zenki on the trailer, and Kenny scored it for a pretty insane price.
Do we say?
No, we never say.
Okay, good.
It's just pretty,
It wasn't
it's
bad.
a good deal.
It was a good deal. It was good work on everybody's part. I'm proud of you guys.
I'm proud of
You really carried the team today.
Of course, just like any other buying thing or buying any car online or on Craigslist or Facebook, you always kind of expect it to be a way bigger piece of shit than it is in the ad, because usually that's the case.
I'm a positive person, so it always turns out to be a way bigger piece of shit than I.
Oh,
it's true.
And you
It's
still
true.
buy it, even though it's a
That's
huge piece
yeah.
of shit.
You expect everything to be junk, so then you show up and it's like, hey, this
It's
is
not that bad, yeah. But like you can't
got
show
two
the seller that. You got to be like, nah, this thing sucks, sick. But it's surprisingly really clean. It's a full interior, which is like the first time I've ever bought an S chassis with anyone who
Same.
has a full interior. KAT setup, it sucks because it was a pretty decent setup, but he ran it on a stock ECU, and that was definitely the demise of that engine. So,
Boo-hoo.
boo
Poor
hoo.
engine.
Exactly. It comes with a lot of goodies: 5-lug, Z brakes, AM gauges, all that cool stuff. Slicks, yeah. So definitely worth it. So we're gonna get back, check it out, and go from there. Isn't it just so beautiful, Brian? It's all right. It's pretty good.
Now that you said it was an Eagle Talon, that's all I can say.
Yeah, it does look exactly like an Eagle Talon with that paint job.
Go fast.
Kind of stinky. Go fast?
Make it count. Hey, wasn't that bad. Look at it, right to the parking space. Oh, no, come on. Come on. Oh, that was impressive.
You see that?
That was good.
Not bad.
I was really impressed.
Why?
In one coast, perfect parking spot. There's guys, two-tone, Eagle Talon looking ass, Zenki S14, 5-lug, Z brakes, bunch of parts. So Kenny actually is leaving for, what is it, World Cup this weekend? World Cup finals
All
in
tech.
Maryland. He's got to leave in like 20 minutes. So unfortunately we can't play with tonight, but this is going to be interesting. We have some really funny videos coming on this thing. So it runs. It just runs. I think it has like 80 PSI in each cylinder and smokes like a motherfucker. We're going to throw on the dyno and do some stuff with it later. But for now, congratulations, Kenny.
Thank you.
Gotta love these shitbox 240s.
Yeah, they are shit.
They're fun though, aren't they?
They are a lot of fun.
I show up to the shop 2.5 hours later and they're still doing fucking wheelies on this thing.
I gotta take a sip. Wait, let's reposition. Ow, I scraped my ass on the ground. I was sitting on the scrape bar. I'm like, yo, chill. He's like, back.
Yo, how beautiful is this coupe, by the way?
It's great.
Street car. All right, so I guess tonight turned into the night that we test the strength of the loft.
We might be.
Stop being a pussy.
Why do I gotta get up there?
Because you're a thick one.
No hands.
I'll take it.
No hands.
What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Another 90 pounds is coming up.
And 10.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna break it.
Imagine just collapse.
Push it over to the edge. Now Tucker comes up.
Oh. I'm partially nervous. Are you doing drugs there, Sammy?
No, never. Never. Some juuling.
Drugs. All right, I'm pretty confident in the thing, but I'm getting kind of nervous. There's a lot of people up there. All right, so we had to rush through the S14 stuff because Kenny had to get back home because he was going to a big drag event this weekend, which I wish I kind of went to now. But I know you guys are probably like, oh, great. We're going to see more S chassis stuff, but I don't care. I'm really excited for that car. I'm really excited to help Kenny on it, and can't wait to show you guys because there's a lot of really cool goodies on that car. Got a pretty insane deal. I came back to a shop of like 30 people, and it turned into a big hangout, so I didn't get to film anymore. But that's it. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.